I was curious about to reduce the false positives and get a much greater signal to noise ratio about when it finds an issue to have three separate agents be spun up using what's called subagents, and they each individually like verify the issue to like independently and in a adversarial almost way to forcibly agree or disagree, and it goes by a simple majority, so 2/3 wins. And by doing so, it actually went from like 80% false positives or like bad issues to 20%. So just by like throwing more AI tokens at the problem, it did greatly increase its signal to finding legitimate bugs or issues that could actually be fixed. It found like when it ran for like I think it was like 2 or 3 days, and it didn't even finish because I had consumed the entire week of my, or very close to the entire week of my tokens for my I have a Claude Max plan, which is like the most expensive plan, right? It's like a $200 a month plan that I'm just using my own, API token key basically. It consumed almost the entire thing in like 2 days or 3 days, whatever it was. And I ended up having to shut it down because I actually wanted to use Claude like during the week to do my actual like job, right? So it didn't even finish. It got like 3/4 of the way through of all the work that it was trying to do, and it finally it found once again it found like another 110 like GitLab issues that it created, and I think like 83 or 85 of them were like legitimate issues that we could go ahead and patch. Very few of those issues were actually like significant issues. Like I don't think it was anything significant that I found. Like nothing I was really worried about. But like, oh yeah, we don't handle this error, well, we should have returned the error here. We weren't returning the error here, or something very small like this. But like, it's an easy thing to miss when you're writing code or even reviewing it. And it found it, so like it's almost like an advanced linter, if that makes sense. Like I don't know if people know what linters means, but it's a kind of a better linter in some way, shape, or form, at least in this current iteration. So now it has like 83 issues that it has backlogged, and it's constantly just creating, as it maintains 3 open MRs, which you just had up on your screen a second ago. And it has 3 open MRs that it's like fixing at any given time, waiting for humans to review it. So I review it typically, and then one of the other developers does, and then it merges to something, and then it just gets merged, like another one gets opened, and we comment, and just keep on doing that. Just keep on doing that over and over and over again. So I've made a lot of progress, and I'm now like down to like approximately like a 20% kind of like false positive or duplicate kind of scenario. I think I can have it the next time. I'm quite confident I can get down to like 10% on the next iteration.